Hello garment manufacturers. Do you want to make 5 ladies medium-sized tops in just 2 meters of fabrics? Do you want to drastically reduce your fabric cost by rupees 40 per lady's top? If yes, do watch out this video till end. Hello, this is Tushar from Charu Creation Pvt Ltd, a fashion fabric company at Nehru Place, New Delhi. So for making a medium-sized cut sleeve ladies top, you require a minimum of 1 meter of fabric having a width of 42 inches. So let us calculate your fabric cost. So let us suppose you choose printed cotton poplin to make the garment. Generally, printed cotton poplin having a width of 42 inches costs around rupees 200 per meter. So your fabric cost for making one medium size cut sleeve ladies top comes out to be rupees 200 per top. How would it be if I could reduce this cost to rupees 160 per top? Amazing, isn't it? This becomes possible with our printed cotton poplin fabrics, which have a width of 110 inches. Yes, 110 inches. So 110 inches wide fabric allows you to cut 5 medium size cut sleeve ladies top just out of 2 meters of fabrics. And they are priced at rupees 399 per meter. This way your fabric cost drops down to rupees 160 per top from rupees 200 per top. Friends, I want to acknowledge you for watching this video. I hope that garments made out of our fabric collection would help you to win orders from your respective buyers and strengthen your business in these challenging times. For any further inquiry, you may also call us at +91 99711 06200 or simply email us at charu@charu.org.in. If you find this information useful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more useful information. Thanks a lot.